Imagine opening an AI tool full of excitement and then getting stuck because you don't know what to type. That's the reality for most people today. AI is everywhere, from content creation to business ideas, but without the right direction, it often feels confusing and inconsistent. You ask random questions, get scattered answers, and after a while, it starts to feel like a waste of time rather than a powerful tool. The truth is, AI isn't the problem, the lack of structure is. That's exactly where the Magnus AI side hustle prompt product comes in. Instead of leaving you guessing, it provides a structured system of prompts designed to help you actually create something meaningful with AI. Think of it as a step-by-step guide that tells you what to ask, how to ask it, and in what order. Rather than typing vague requests into tools like ChatGPT, you follow a clear sequence that transforms your ideas into real outputs, whether that's content, digital products, or even income streams. What makes this product stand out is how practical it is. It's not just theory or inspiration, it's action-oriented. You can use these prompts to create blog posts, social media content, newsletters, or even full YouTube scripts in minutes. If you're interested in making money online, it also helps you build digital products like ebooks, planners, and journals that you can sell on platforms such as Etsy or Gumroad. On the marketing side, it guides you in generating email sequences, ad copy, and landing pages that actually look professional. It even extends into video creation by helping you come up with viral ideas and structured scripts, and for creatives, it includes prompts for tools like Midjourney and DALL-E to generate visual content and designs. The process itself is simple and beginner-friendly. You choose a prompt category based on your goal, follow the structured flow, paste it into your preferred AI tool, and then customize the output. Within minutes, you have something usable instead of starting from scratch. This simplicity is actually one of its biggest strengths because it removes the biggest barrier most people face: overthinking and not knowing where to begin. Of course, it's important to stay realistic. This isn't a magic tool that guarantees instant income. You still need to put in effort, refine the outputs, and take action on the ideas generated. The quality of your results will depend on how well you use and adapt the prompts. However, what it does offer is a huge time-saving advantage and a clear path, especially for beginners who feel lost in the world of AI. Overall, the Magnus AI side hustle prompt product works best as a practical guide for turning AI into a productivity and income tool. It bridges the gap between having access to AI and actually using it effectively. In a world where everyone has access to the same tools, the real difference comes down to how you use them, and that's exactly what this product helps you figure out.